Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner and I'm a realtor here in Hamilton, Ontario. So if you're looking to buying or selling your home, I'll list my contact information here. I'd love to be your realtor for 2023. I know home ownership is on your list of goals for 2023 and I would love to be a part of that, helping you to achieve that goal, to bring success, another level of success, hitting it off, ding, 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 goal achieved. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the 6 steps you need to buying your home here in Ontario, Canada. So let's jump right in it. Number one is your motives for buying. So, what is the main reason you're buying? Why are you buying a house? Consider that. Is it for home ownership or is it for investment? So, that is the first step. Think about it. Am I buying this house as an investment property or am I just buying this house to live in? I'll be creating another video to help you, to inform you on how you can house hack and live for free. So don't miss out. Hit the bell, subscribe so you don't miss that video. Now, as I mentioned before, your motives. So whether this is a form of investment or you're just buying it to move in to live with your family. So that is the first decision. Thinking about the motive for buying. Number two is deciding on the type of house that you would acquire. Now, there are a wide variety of different types of houses, ranging from condos, townhouses, some are freehold, some you have to pay condo fees, multiple family homes, which includes duplex, triplex, semi-detached, bungalows. There are several different types of houses. So you now need to start looking, start exploring around your neighborhood, where you want to go, and just visualize the type of house that you would like to move in this year, 2023, to make it your own home. Number three, now is the time to meet with your mortgage agent to get pre-approved. Now, I can help you with this. Yes, I have lenders that I can recommend you to meet with them, weigh the pros, weigh the cons, do your financial assessment and your financial analysis to see how much you're qualified for. Now, there are some documents that are required when you're meeting with your lender, with your mortgage agent. And you know one benefit of the mortgage agent? The mortgage agent has access to multiple lenders with different products. And when the mortgage agent does their assessment with you, they will find the right unique product that suits your needs. Now, during this assessment, your mortgage agent will look at your credit score, your debts, your assets, your liabilities, your income, your employment, and the length of time you are employed. They also require a verification of employment letter, which shows your salary and how long you have been working there. So then your mortgage agent and yourself will break down, go through all these with a fine tooth comb to decide on how much you can afford. And throughout this time also, you will look at your own budget and see how much you can afford to pay as a monthly expense. So this might be a little more than the rent that you used to pay if you're renting, but if you're investing and you have another property before, then you see how much you can pay and you weigh that with the income that will be coming in. Number four is finding your down payment. Now, here in Ontario, Canada, the down payment goes in a ranking. So, anything from $0 to $500,000, you're required to pay 5% down. Anything above 500,000 to under $1 million, so 9999, that is 10% down. And anything above 1 million and above, that's 20% down. Now, whenever your down payment is less than 20% down, you are required to pay mortgage insurance. This mortgage insurance benefits and protects the lender to cover the mortgage. This is not the same insurance that covers your property. This is a mortgage insurance to protect the lender. Yes, the money that they're lending you, that's what this insurance is for. So you decide, depending on the cost of the house, then that will determine the amount of down payment you will need to put down. Now, number 5 is where the fun and games come in. And this is where I come into play as your licensed realtor in Hamilton, Ontario. I'm happy to help you here. So if you are thinking about buying your first home, hit me up. I'm more than happy to help you. Now, my job as your realtor is to meet with you, hear your needs, and we plan and create an action plan to get you the home of your desire and the home that you can afford, meeting your financial needs and your personal needs. So we'll go through, we'll do the assessment, and we'll find the house that suits you. Now, you know one bonus thing, you know one good thing is you don't have to pay me, your realtor. The sellers pay the realtor fee. 99% of the time, though, that is. So the benefit of using a realtor as a buyer is that you don't have to pay the commission. The commission is paid through the seller. Now, are you liking this video so far? Hit the like button. Let me know if you're enjoying it. And as you know, don't leave because I have the bonus tip for you. As always, the bonus is you need to consider your closing costs. There is money required on closing, and this money will include usually your legal fees, paying your lawyers, maybe for home inspection, for moving, for utilities, for land transfer, property tax, and all those things. You will need enough money saved up for closing costs. So don't forget that even when you pay the down payment, you are required to have closing costs on the day of closing to wrap up all the other expenses. So have that in consideration. Don't leave that out. This is the end of today's video. I hope you learned the different steps you need in buying your home here in Ontario, Canada. And please, if you're considering own ownership for 2023, hit me up. I'm here to help you to achieve that goal. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.